In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Loop. If you've ever found yourself struggling with language settings or just want to change things up for a more personalized experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser that you feel comfortable using. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Loop and hit Enter. You'll be directed to a list of results, and you'll want to click on the official Microsoft Loop website. This is where we'll begin our journey into changing the language settings. Once you're on the Microsoft Loop page, navigate to the Sign In section. If you already have a Microsoft account, go ahead and enter your login details to gain access. For those who don't yet have an account, take a moment to create one. It's a straightforward process and essential for accessing all of Microsoft's features, including language settings. After signing in, the next step is to move to your Microsoft account settings. This is the hub where you can customize your account preferences, including language preferences. To find your account settings, look for your profile icon, which is usually located at the top right of the screen. Clicking on this icon should reveal a drop-down menu that includes Account Settings. Click on this option, and you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Now that you're in your account settings, look for the Settings and Privacy section. This area is critical for managing not only your privacy settings, but also other personal preferences. Typically, you'll find it in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Selecting Settings and Privacy will open up several options, one of which is the location of the language settings we're looking for. At this point, you'll need to locate the language settings. This section allows you to customize which language Microsoft Loop uses. It's important to make sure your desired language is listed first. If your preferred language isn't visible, there's usually an option to add it manually. Look for an Add a Language button or something similar. Be sure to reorder the list so that your desired language appears at the top. This ensures that it's the primary language for Microsoft Loop. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your language settings in Microsoft Loop. Going through these steps will not only change the interface language to one you're comfortable with, but also aid you in accessing features more easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope this small walkthrough was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, and happy looping!